Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight we're coming at you with a one-box break of 2013 Prestige Football. All teams have been randomized. If you haven't, check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com. Lots of great breaks at great prices, and we've had some great hits here. Alright, we're going to just breeze through the base cards, go right to the hits and inserts. And off the bat, we have a Desmond Trufant autograph, first pack autograph, going to the Atlanta Falcons, Will H. Number 41 of 100. Nice hit, Will. Very nice. First pack hit. And we also have a Desmond Trufant rookie also going to Will H. So we have a Will H pack. Steven, get your spots fast on the Elite, because I have a feeling they are going to go fast. Everybody's talking about it. And here we have a Deion Sims extra point rookie going to the Miami Dolphins, Kyle G. Yep. I love how the rookies stick to these. The rookie Zach Dysert going to the Denver Broncos, another hit for Will H. Elite's going to be really nasty. I want to go through a bunch of boxes, because we're pulling back a couple of boxes, guys. Just so you know, we're holding back a few boxes for mixers. So we're going to be limited on how much we have. So get your spots early. Here we have prestigious picks, Le'Veon Bell going to the Pittsburgh Steelers, Glenn H. And a Cordell Patterson rookie going to the Minnesota Vikings, Kyle J. Everybody should get it early. We have an NFL draft picks, Le'Veon Bell going to Glenn H., Pittsburgh Steelers, and the rookie for the Jacksonville Jaguars, Luke Jokel, that's going to Glenn H. Steven, I don't know if you heard, but they have spinning jersey cards in Elite. Spinning jersey cards. Here we have a draft tickets, E.J. Manuel going to Greg B. And the rookie is Sierra Wood going to the Houston Texans. And that's going to Glenn H. Yeah, I want to see that too, Steven. I want to see some passing the torch autographs. That's what I want to see. Here we have a Giovanni Bernard NFL passport going to the Cincinnati Bengals, Jeremy J. And the rookie for the Denver Broncos, Monte Ball, that's going to Will H. He's going to have a nice package from us. For the Buffalo Bills, we have a draft city destination, Robert Woods going to Greg B. And the rookie Connor Vernon going to the Oakland Raiders, Jeremy J. Hey Justin, how's it going, buddy? Good to see you. And here we have a Giovanni Bernard prestigious picks going to Jeremy J. And the rookie for the Green Bay Packers, Jonathan Franklin, that's going to Glenn H. Guys, anybody who wants to buy into the Inception, if you want to do a spot, I'll do it for 25 if you send it as a gift. We want to get that broken for Kenon. And guys, you know what I love about Panini so far? Not one redemption. Look at this, guys. Come on. Come on. Are you for real, players? Come on. This is how we roll here, guys. Monte Ball autograph. That's a nice hit. Going to Will H. Will, this is a sick package. You're going to have a sick package from us, buddy. Congratulations, man. Very nice hit. Very nice hit for you. These boxes are crazy nice. Awesome product. Nick Casa rookie. That's going to the Oakland Raiders, Jeremy J. Yeah, I'll take it myself, Will. Will hit that, Glenn. I don't think Glenn has audio, so can somebody tell him who hit up? Here we have a Marcus Lattimore prestigious picks going to the San Francisco 49ers, Matt H. And the rookie Eddie Lacy going to the Green Bay Packers, Glenn. Well, it's either a double decoy or there should be something in here. Yeah, I'd like that too, Will. Yep, just a decoy. We got a Stedman Bailey hollow foil card. That's number 200 going to the St. Louis Rams, Jeremy J. Number 17 of 100. Very nice hit for Double J. And there's no rookie in the pack. So just to show you, Michael Floyd, Willis McGahee, Terrell Suggs, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis, Jarrett Allen, Antonio Gates, and Chris Johnson. No rookie in that pack, guys. Kyle, you got your name called a couple of times, and there's still 2 more hits in the box. We got a ways to go. And here we have a Peyton Manning die cut that's going to Will H. And the rookie is Joseph Randolph going to the Dallas Cowboys. That's Glenn. That was a good thing nobody took you up on your offer. Here we have an NFL die cut shield, Larry Fitzgerald going to the Arizona Cardinals, Jeremy J. And the rookie Stephon Taylor also going to Jeremy J. And you know what, guys? There was a rookie. Here we go. Stedman Bailey. That just fell out of one of the decoys. Stedman Bailey, St. Louis Rams, Jeremy J. Jeremy, I'll show you one of the hits you just got. Just give me a second here. Let me get through this pack. Here's a Jonathan Franklin going to the Green Bay Packers, Glenn H. And the rookie, Josh Boyce, going to the New England Patriots, Kyle G. Jeremy, you just hit this one. Stedman Bailey holographic foil card, number 200. Number 17 of 100, buddy. You had a couple other hits, but that's the best one. And we still have 2 jerseys to go, guys. Here we have a Landry Jones draft ticket for the Pittsburgh Steelers, Glenn H. And the rookie Ace Sanders. That's going to the Jacksonville Jaguars, Glenn H. That is a nice hit. Here we have for the Buffalo Bills a Robert Woods NFL passport, and that's going to Greg B. And the rookie for the Houston Texans, Alec Lemon, that's going to Glenn H. $25 if you send as a personal payment, Kyle. You get 1 hit. That's good, Ken. That's good. Here we have a Marquise Goodwin NFL passport. That's going to Greg B. And for the Cincinnati Bengals, Margus Hunt. And that's going to Jeremy J. Jeremy, I know you got 2 Giovanni Bernards as well. If anybody wants a spot in the Inception, just let me know, and we'll take it from there. Here's a nice one for the Buffalo Bills. Marquise Goodwin, extra points, numbered to 100, number 63 of 100. And that's going to Greg B. And the rookie, Ryan Otten for the Jacksonville Jaguars. That's going to Glenn H. Now, Dean, I gave them, I told them about the discount. I'll give it to them as well, just to get the 3 spots moved. Boxes are about $125 to $130 a box. Actually, I think Play goes for $1,500. And here we have a Monte Ball NFL draft picks. That's going to Will H. And for the Cincinnati Bengals and Jeremy J, a Giovanni Bernard jersey, number 5 of 199. Nice hit, Jeremy. And the rookie is Zach Ertz for the Philadelphia Phillies, and that's going to Jeremy J. There's 3 left in Inception, Glenn. 3 left. You know, Greg, I think you hit something else in this. I'm pretty sure you did. I'm pretty sure you did. But I mean, I could be wrong because I'm going through so many cards. Aaron Dobson, New England Patriots. That's going to Kyle G. And the rookie Manti Te'o, it's going to the Chargers and Kyle G as well. All right, Jeremy. And Greg, if you would have made the trade tonight, you would have hit. Yeah, I haven't mentioned your name, have I, Cole? Let's try to change that in these last few packs. DeAndre Hopkins, Houston Texans. That's going to Glenn. And the rookie, Kobe Hamilton, and that's going to Jeremy. Okay, no, this is not a jersey, so we'll go to this one. Really, I could have sworn you hit something. Maybe it was in Bowman then. Or a mixer or something. Here we have a class of 2013, the prestigious picks. Joseph Randle, Dallas Cowboys, that's going to Glenn H. And a Philip Thomas rookie going to the Washington Redskins, Kyle G. Okay, it's between these two, gentlemen, so we'll go with this one right here. Alright, the decoy's in here, so the last pack should have a jersey. Well, here we have for the Buffalo Bills, E.J. Manuel. That's going to Greg B. And there we go. Arian Foster Green, 11 of 25. That's going to the Texans, my buddy Glenn. Very nice hit, Glenn. And this should have a jersey, gentlemen. Okay, so maybe that's what it was, Greg. The Bowman. Oh, it's got a nice thick card in here. Maybe it's a patch. The rookie is Niall Davis for the Kansas City Chiefs. That's going to Cole. Oh my goodness gracious. Cole, you don't hit? Do you say you don't hit, buddy? Look at this. Look at this. That is crazy sick. Wow, that is crazy sick. I don't even know what it's numbered out of. Number 41 of 49. Wow. Niall Davis. I can't get the numbering on here, Cole, but that is a crazy sick patch, brother. Congratulations for you, man. That's a nice hit. That is a super, super hit. Good for you, Cole. Just tell all your friends where you got that. Because that is a stupid hit. Cole, I don't think you posted any pictures yet of the packages we sent you. Please post this one up. I actually got to get a bigger top load for this, guy. So give me 1 second, because that ain't fitting in the 120 count. Actually, yeah, I got to get a 130 for that. Give me a second, guys. Wow. I like that patch card, and I don't like the Chiefs. That is just a nasty, nasty patch. Glenn, you got the... Let me show Glenn what he got right here. I guess he didn't see it. Right there, Glenn. That's what you got right there. Arian Foster, number to 25, buddy. Okay. This is not going to even fit in a 130, guys. That's how thick this is. It won't fit in a 130. I got to get bigger. Our boxes are loaded. I have 180s here somewhere, guys. Just give me a second to find them. There we are. I have to put this in a 180 holder. And let me make sure I got through the rookie in this pack. Yeah, the rookie was Now Davis. The rest are just base guys. Cole, this is a 130 hold, a 180 holder. That's how thick this card is. Somebody tell Glenn there's only 3. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's get the inception going. Let's get the inception going. Now we have 2 spots, because Glenn said he'll take 1. Okay, so then that would be 2. I'll tell you what, guys. If we can get the inception move, I'm going to do a mixer for you guys that's going to blow your mind. It will blow your mind. Wow. Okay, guys, just send it to my email address, 25 and 50. Thank you to both of you. Thank you to both of you. And now, because of their generosity, I'm gonna offer everybody else a mixer that's gonna blow your mind. Let me just save this video, guys. I want to thank everybody for joining us. Don't forget to visit www.thecasebreakers.com.